I wanted you guys to listen to the exhaust note of this AMG. So this is kind of dusty, but it had come for some work. This is a older version of AMG which was in production till 2019. This is an all-wheel drive, and it makes about 355 plus bhp. So this GLA comes with a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine, and it has a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Seating is very comfortable, and let's go about starting the engine now. Wasn't that good for a stock exhaust?